Hello everyone, welcome to Mocking Sapien. My name is Tanay and today we are going to talk about Rhea Chakrabarty's media trial. I'm going to show you a couple of clips, but before that let's talk about what is media trial. Media trial is basically pronouncing a person guilty or innocent irrespective of the investigation. Whatever the result of the investigation is, doesn't matter. Doesn't. It just अपना ही ठूस देंगे बीच में with some weird ass conspiracy theories. Best. It has happened with the Arushi Talwar case and now it's happening with Rhea Chakrabarty. From the past 1 to 2 months, there are a lot of conspiracy theories. Every day new something comes up. Hey, bhai, legendary. Rhea Chakrabarty's life, irrespective of the investigation, is ruined. Like, she won't have a life after this whole thing because the people and the media have targeted her 24/7 with random as things. I don't know if Rhea Chakrabarty is innocent or guilty, but so doesn't the law. The media has just pronounced her guilty. Just did it. Now why do people do it? Lockdown के time पे तो कुछ काम धंधा है नहीं. So make up some conspiracy theory and put it up. There are literally pages on Instagram like Justice for Sushant, this, that. And some weird ass conspiracy theories they have. And they're doing parallel investigation with the CBI. CBI will come with some conclusion. The Instagram pages come with some other conclusion. Hey, bhai. Like, so jobless these people are, man. So jobless. And why does the media do it? TRP milta hai. Like, they'll come up with some conspiracy theory which other channel is not coming up with. So everyone is in a competition. And people like to watch this. So उनको TRP मिल रहा है, they are getting fame in this because people like it. And then the second thing is diversion from real issues. There are so many big issues going on right now. The COVID crisis, we are growing at the highest rate ever in the whole world. More than 90,000 cases per day. We are in the second place now. That is extremely bad. The JEE and NEET exams, that also gone. Unemployment, GDP crash. पर मसाला और एजेंडा नहीं ना उस न्यूज में. इसमें है मसाला भी है और एजेंडा भी है. सो विन विन, एक तीर दो निशाने. क्या बात. जीडीपी के तो फॉरगेट इट ओनली. न्यूज चैनल्स डोंट फाइंड इट नेसेसरी टू डिबेट ऑन इट आल्सो. लाइक टाइम्स नाउ. See this.
Rahul, before we start, I want to place on record my deep disgust with the fact that on a day when our GDP has contracted 23.9%, on a day when China has
Dr. Sumansi Raman, you don't have to be part of this debate if you find it so disgusting. You know, look, hang on. You don't need to be part of this debate if you find it so disgusting. Go read the morning newspapers, and I recommend the Times of India. Go read it.
Newspaper में आएगा ना, go read it tomorrow. This is not important. GDP, unemployment, these things aren't important. Minus 23.9, no, it doesn't matter. What matters is we have exposed some crazy truth. Did Mumbai police suppress chat? Did it? Whereas some people are avoiding to discuss on the GDP, there's this guy who is saying it's all cool. And guess who it is? The one and only.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you that GDP is doing fine, the economy is doing fine. We are seeing a V-shaped recovery. Unlock is taking effect. Corporates are doing better. Jobs are coming back. We're fine. We're going to be better.
See, GDP is doing fine. V-shaped recovery. We are going down and up. There's no need for discussion. Corporates are doing well. Everyone is doing well. Why are you putting your Arnab Bhai has said it that it is doing fine, so it is doing fine. Let's not discuss this anymore. We have bigger issues to focus on. क्या रिया चक्रवर्ती ड्रग्स देती थी सुशांत को? Conspiracy theories new came up every day and a lot of drama and action. Initially it started with nepotism. Karan Johar, this, that. Kangana ji to on every news channel she's vomiting out shit over there. Every conspiracy में फुदक के she comes. Hey bhai. Full promotion she does of herself and bounces then. Then there was this thing of politics. Like Aditya Thackeray and Suraj Pancholi and all these things in that party which Disha Salian was in. And then the whole rape and all they are talking about. She was raped and then she was killed and murdered. Like taking such a thing and making such a big ruckus out of it, like disgusting.
What is incredible and I want to start with you, Tohin, is the sense of absolute secrecy. You know, like almost as if anyone who was present at Disha's party has been sworn into a vow of silence. I wonder why.
Even Disha Salian's father is disappointed with it. Disha Salian's parents said that before we lost our child and now the social media is killing us. Disha Salian's father accuses media of mentally harassing him. So this is what the media is doing now. Like, what is the actual result? But doesn't matter. They are doing their own thing. Chalu hai. It doesn't matter. What the victim feel, nothing matters. Times now has like a crazy amount of drama in their thing. Like someone will come with a camera and start shooting and all that. Just see this clip.
We've got some big stuff coming in.
Yes.
I've got a bag full of documents that we need to glean.
Are you saying that you've got the entire file in your bag?
Yes.
Okay.
Do I ever
Pranesh,
let anybody down?
Right. Well, sorry.
See, Navika makes a grand entry. I have got some stuff right in my bag, and that guy is like, do you have it in your bag? He's like, do I ever disappoint? Do I? So full, and the cameramen are like full going around. See, investigate in the bag now. Finish. Riya Chakrabarti, you are finished. Navika is exposing you. Then after this whole thing happened, then there was this thing of drugs. Riya Chakrabarti is giving drugs to Sushant.
और इस वक्त की सबसे बड़ी खबर सुशांत सिंह राजपूत केस से जुड़ी हुई सूत्रों के हवाले से खबर है कि सुशांत की गर्लफ्रेंड रिया चक्रवर्ती उन्हें ड्रग्स दिया करती थी.
See, now Riya Chakrabarti used to give drugs to Sushant Singh Rajput. Like because Sushant himself can't take drugs. नहीं ले सकते, सिर्फ रिया ही दे सकती है. Slip it in something and then give drugs. That's why he went into depression and that's why he committed a suicide. Kya baat? And if you don't know the various types of drugs and how drug addict behaves, this is how it feels like.
रिया चक्रवर्ती बोलती है ड्रग दो, मुझे ड्रग दो, मुझे ड्रग्स दो. वो कहती है मुझे ड्रग दो, मेरे लिए गांजा लाओ, चरस लाओ, MDMA लाओ, ecstasy लाओ.
This guy is one namuna. Every day he has something new to say. He कुछ भी starts adding. ड्रग दो, MDMA लाओ, चरस लाओ, ये लाओ, ecstasy लाओ, दे दो भाई, अर्नब को दे दो.
Sex, money, Bollywood, drugs, drinks, parties, rave parties.
Oh yeah. Like they are taking drugs such a big thing. Like, okay, drugs are being done on a large scale, but who doesn't? Ganja also, who doesn't smoke? So like they're literally accusing her of dealing drugs. Narcos mein next series is gonna come on thing only. Riya Chakrabarti now. Narcos ka fourth season, I think. The fourth season, yeah. He's gonna be on Riya Chakrabarti. She now deals drugs.
In case we speak about hard drugs, I haven't done too many. According to him, MDA once. This is what is written in this WhatsApp chat, and this has been sent from her phone through a mobile. From her phone through a mobile.
Taking marijuana and all these things are like, okay, it's done on a very regular basis. Even hard drugs, it's quite common, you know. It's available and people do it. So just on the news channel is being flashed so hard, like, you know, drugs leti thi. Sent from her phone through her mobile.
Best weed ever.
Oh yeah.
Riya says in another page.
Riya is counseling. You're telling me, Simone Khambata, that Bhubaneswar is the scene. It has the best weed ever. But we
and I'm getting messages that weed is also called green or whatever. I don't know. It's pure coincidence that I'm wearing green tonight. It's pure coincidence that I'm wearing green tonight.
Pure coincidence, this is pure. Look at the amount of drama. Wear a green color sari and then, hey, bhai. I get cringed out by these news channels, man. Oh my god.
Use 4 drops in coffee, tea or water and let him sip it. Let him sip it.
Oh yeah.
Give it 30 to 40 minutes for it to kick in.
Oh yeah.
This is the smoking gun.
So that 3 to 4 drops in tea and all that is basically CBD oil, which Riya Chakrabarti was talking about. CBD oil is a 40% extract of cannabis plant and is said to be quite effective in lowering anxiety as well as treating pain. So this is what the actual thing was. But let him sip it. Let him sip it. Bhai. Then there were some things regarding some Dubai connection of Rhea Chakraborty.
Rhea ka drug connection, Maut ka Dubai connection.
Then they literally reached Daud. Daud they reached. So now Daud had the hand in killing Sushant Singh Rajput.
क्या सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की मौत के पीछे दाऊद इब्राहिम का हाथ है?
क्या वाकई दाऊद के काले चिट्ठे सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की उस हार्ड डिस्क में थे और इसीलिए वो हार्ड डिस्क जो है हार्ड डिस्क
Oh yeah. And they have this typical disgusting way of showing, if they're trying to portray someone, they'll try to show one picture in the middle, like Rhea Chakraborty in bikini, Rhea Chakraborty doing a photo shoot, stunning photo shoot, and you know, keep that in focus the whole time, and it just hammer the public in that kind of disgusting sense. You know, that, you know, she's like this, so she has to be like that. So it's a very disgusting way of defaming someone. Her career is Bollywood, she does photo shoots in bikinis, it's a very normal thing. But no, they keep it in focus like that, try to show it as bad, and like, what mentality you understand of these people. Now Daud and all ka to we saw what all they have said, Daud connection, hard disk and all.
Hard disks.
But they went one step further and went to Kala Jadoo. Rhea Chakraborty did Kala Jadoo on Sushant Singh Rajput. Oh bhai. Oh bhai. लव ड्रग्स और धोखा, रिया ने सुशांत पर किया था जादू टोना, सुशांत पर काला जादू, इश्क का काला जादू. Our Indian media is so गिरी हुई, like they can reach to काला जादू का levels for murder and all. Oh man, क्या ही बोले अभी इनको. In this whole process we forgot the whole importance of mental illness and how to spread awareness on it. It's all gone for a toss. People and the media have literally made it a joke. Some people were like, he was so successful and he had such a good fan following, that's why he couldn't commit a suicide. Like, this is how people take mental health as even now. Even after so much thing came out on mental health and other depression, this, that. He was successful, na? Rhea Chakraborty did it, Daud did it, Kala Jadoo did it, nepotism did it, everything else did it, but mental health is not an issue. It's not. The media and the people aren't realizing what they're going to do to Rhea's, you know, lifestyle now. They realize it or they don't care, I don't know, but it's just happening. And if by chance Rhea Chakraborty is found not guilty, are they going to apologize? Are they going to bring her pride back? Are they going to give her work again? They won't. Obviously they won't. अपना इधर के टाइम पे TRP मिल रहा है, फेम मिल रहा है, रोटियां सेको. वही करो अभी तुम. काम धंधा तो है नहीं. These people without thinking for their own fame and motive go on doing this regardless of the repercussions which it's going to have on Rhea Chakraborty. CBI is doing the investigation ना. तुम क्यों अपने conspiracy theories क्यों घुसड़ना है बीच में? क्यों घुसड़ना? छोड़ दो ना. CBI कर रही है, जांच करने दो. Irrespective of what the result of the investigation is, her career is gone, her life is gone, everything is ruined. Just because these people and this media idiots are screwing people over for God knows what, for their own conspiracy theories which they have God knows. That's about it. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.